How to record a bounced check in QuickBooks. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can record a bounced check in QuickBooks. To record a bounced check in QuickBooks, follow this video to the end. The first step is to sign in into your QuickBooks online account, just like I have done here. And then once you're signed in, you are brought to your home page automatically, where you'll see different things. Now once you're on this page, the next step is to move to the left side of the screen, where you can see some options which include bank transactions, but you can see dashboard transaction. So click on your transaction. After clicking your transactions, amongst the options displayed, ensure you select bank transactions. So after selecting bank transactions, your bank transactions page will load, and then you take you to the page where you see the list of transactions that you've done so far. So for you, you'll see all of your bank transactions here. Then the next step is to find the bounce check or the returned payment into the bank feed. For me, I have not done any transactions, that's why mine is empty. But for you, just locate the bounce check or the returned payment in the bank feed. Then select it to expand the transaction details. All right. Now on the transaction details page, you'll see a list of options. Locate the vendor or customer drop down, and then choose the customer whose payments bounced. All right, then in the accounts drop down, select accounts receivable. When you're done, select add, and this would offset the unpaid voice. All right, so that's how to do it. Just ensure that you go to your bank transactions, find the bounce check, and then select it to expand transaction details. Then in the vendor or customer drop down, choose the customer whose payment bounced. Then in the account drop down, you have to select accounts receivable. Then once you're done carrying out or filling in all of the necessary fields, select add, and this will offset the unpaid transaction. So this is how to get about it. Ensure you try it out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and have a good